10 foods to increase hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein that is found in the red blood cells and is further responsible for carrying oxygen around the body. However, dietary measures and supplements help boost hemoglobin levels at home. Also, apart from transporting oxygen, hemoglobin carries carbon dioxide out of the cells and into the lungs and then release it as a person exhales. So, keep in mind, low hemoglobin can make it difficult for the body to perform these functions. A low level of hemoglobin makes it difficult for the body's organs to get enough oxygen, which can further lead to a plethora of symptoms including fatigue, dizziness, headaches, shortness of breath, fast heart rate, pale skin, etc. However, low levels of hemoglobin in the blood are called anemia. Liver. 3 ounces of organic beef liver, 4.05 milligrams, 22.5% of the daily value. When it comes to foods with iron, specifically heme iron, the more easily absorbable form, liver definitely tops the list. If you struggle with any type of anemia, a clear sign of an iron deficiency, this is probably the best food to consume because it contains iron as well as folate and vitamin B12. These are the 3 vitamins and minerals you need in order to overcome anemia naturally. Lentils, half cup, 3.3 milligrams, 20.4% of the daily value. Lentils are legumes that have a really impressive amount of non-heme iron per serving. Aside from their high supply of nutrients, they're also really cheap and incredibly versatile. Spinach, half cup cooked, 3.2 milligrams, 17.8% of the daily value. This leafy green is loaded with iron as well as many other essential nutrients. As one of the top vegetable sources of iron, spinach is delicious raw or cooked. When you cook it, you tend to end up eating more since it cooks down so much, which means even more iron per spoonful. Sardines, 1/4 cup, 1.8 milligrams, 10% of the daily value. When it comes to sardines nutrition, these little fish are probably best known for their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, but they are also a significant source of heme iron. It's easy to find canned sardines for a very affordable price in most grocery stores. Try adding them to sauces, salads, and pasta dishes. Raisins, 1/4 cup, 1.1 milligrams, 6.1% daily value. One of the highlights of raisins nutrition is that there's significantly high content of iron per serving, especially for a fruit. Other great fruit sources of iron include prunes and figs. Eggs, 1 large, 0.9 milligrams, 5% daily value. Eggs are one of the top sources of heme iron, packing a whopping 5% of the daily value into a single egg. In addition to being one of the best iron-rich foods for kids and adults alike, eggs are also loaded with protein, selenium, riboflavin, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. Pistachios, 1 ounce, 1.1 milligrams, 6.1% daily value. Nutrient-dense pistachios reign supreme when it comes to those looking for healthy snack ideas for weight loss and weight control. Just 1 ounce or 49 pistachio kernels, a typical serving size, provides iron as well as high levels of vitamin B6, 25% daily value. Thiamine, 20% daily value, and copper, 20% daily value. Pistachios are also one of the best nut sources of iron. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a rich source of both calcium and iron, along with protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. It's one of the best foods to increase hemoglobin. Thanks to the exceptional nutritional value it has. Dates. This intensely sweet dried fruit is packed with energy and is super nourishing. Dates provide ample sources of iron that increases hemoglobin levels in the blood. However, most doctors recommend that diabetics must avoid eating dates due to their high sugar content. Beetroots. Beetroot is one of the best ways to increase hemoglobin levels. It's not only high in iron content, but also folic acid along with potassium and fiber. Drink beetroot juice every day to ensure a healthy blood count.